Hey everyone, let's make a Christmas candle, and for this I chose these two cute Christmas elves which I have custom printed. I have these images from Etsy. I just bought the clip art and got it printed out on rice paper. So I have these two images out, and now I glue them onto the candle with my decoupage glue, which I applied onto the candle, and then I just glued the rice paper onto the candle itself. But since this is LED operated candle but does have wax in it, what I did after my images were dry, I took parchment paper, and then with my heat gun I glued or melted the images onto the candle itself. But don't do it with plastic candle. This candle did have wax in it. And now for a little bit of more, I just applied some dots on my candle, and I did it with the red and two shades of green. Then I let it dry and I sealed it all with my pouring glaze. I applied 3 layers, let it dry between each layer for a nice shiny look. And this was only because I did apply those dots onto it. And now for a little bit of more decorating, I have this mold, and I'm using air drying clay, of course, and gluing it onto the candle with express glue from Pentart. And I glued it on the bottom of my candle all the way around. It gives me like a pearl image, even though it's not, but a little bit. Yeah. And yeah, you maybe remember I did made an ornament with this and a tray as well. Both videos are on my YouTube channel as well, so you can go and check them out too. Now my clay is dry, and I firstly painted the bottom with beige paint, or was it ivory, I am not sure. And then of course the holly was painted, the leaves were painted in green, and I took the excess with wet towel, as you can see here. Then I painted the berries red, of course. And if you like this kind of videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do give me a nice comment or a thumbs up. It helps me grow and it means a lot to me. And now what I did, I alternate red and green in between. Red and green in between here, as you can see here. And now I'm sealing all of it with matte varnish, and on top I use dabber and I applied a little bit of green as well. And after this is sealed, I let it all dry, of course. And now for a little bit of decoration, I did use this snow pen for a nice snowy look on my clay part of my candle. And then also I did it on the head of my elf as well. I did it here, and also I did it on the bottom of my candle as well. So, and if you wanna more shimmery, just apply glitter when it's still wet and you will have it more shimmer. And now my 3D red pen for a nice 3D accent on my elves. And technically we are all done. We are finished with this cute elf inspired candle, and now soon you going to see the finished product with my ornament and the tray as well. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I will have those link with two of those others in the comments below. Until next time, bye.